I've got inside sources still within the party that has told me 2 weeks ago that John Steenhuisen is gone. And this was not because of a discussion that was had at the federal executive. This was discussions that was had between some people in the FedEx with donors. Now, just quick list here. The Friedrich Newman Foundation has donated in the last 4 years 2 million rand to the DA. The Danish Liberal Democracy Program has donated 800,000 Rand to the DA. And then the Voices of South African Foundation has donated 9 million Rand to the DA in 2 years. And then there are other ones, Fynbos Capital and Fynbos Equitate, 50 million Rand. And then the Oppenheimer family entities have donated between 20 to 30 million Rand. Now, common sense, what does it tell you? Let's say one of the Oppenheimer families pick up the phone and they go, like, look at what happened to the farms, of the farms in the fires. They've got direct
Mm.
lines to Helen Ziller, to John Steenhuisen. So there is no doubt that these donors have reached out and said, guys, you need to make a plan, because if you don't, we're not going to donate to you, because we're not going to donate to the dumpster fire that at the moment is John Steenhuisen.